So in this video, I'm going to help you identify the different parts of an element. I'm going to help you identify the number of protons and electrons, the number of neutrons, the atomic mass, the mass number, and the atomic number. Okay, there are two different ways that you could see this element appeared, I guess. And I've written them down. One is on the periodic table, and the other is using the symbol AZX. Those are the two. You see? And the example I've written down is bromine. And on here, the number of protons and electrons is equal to 35 because that is the atomic number, which is located at the very top right here. See? Okay. The number of neutrons is the mass number minus the atomic number, and so that would equal 45. But you usually do that step after you find the mass number and the atomic number, which the atomic number is the same as the protons and electrons, and that is 35. And then the mass number, or the atomic mass number, is the original mass number, which is found under bromine. And it's that number. See how I've written out the atomic mass number is that one. There's the atomic number and the number of electrons and protons. And then the mass number is the atomic number rounded, and so that it is 80. So then you can subtract 80 from 35, the mass number minus the atomic number, to get the number of neutrons, which equals 45. See? Okay, that's that way to write it. And then the other way to write it, which is the symbols using AZX, where the X is the symbol of the element, the A equals the mass number, and Z the atomic number. And the bromine is the same example. It's down here. That's how you would write that. And so the 80 is the mass number. The number of protons, electrons, and the atomic number is 35. And then the number of neutrons would be 80 minus 35, which is 45 again. And okay, so mass number 80, atomic number, protons and electrons 35. The element is bromine, and the number of neutrons is 80 minus 35, which is 45. And that is how you identify the different parts of an element.